Hello everyone, I am Puneet Kumar DG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Baramasagara. As you all know, we are discussing the subject Financial Markets and Services in that Module 5, Mutual Funds. The topic of present video is Growth of Mutual Funds in India. Let us recap our previous video. In our previous video, we discussed about the principal parties of the mutual funds. They are sponsor, the board of trustees, asset management company, custodian, and other parties. In the present video, let us discuss about the growth of mutual fund industry in India. The mutual fund industry in India started in 1963 with the formation of the Unit Trust of India as an initiative of the Government of India and as well as the Reserve Bank. With the establishment of the UTI, the mutual fund industry has started its growth in India. So at the primary objective at that time was to attract the small investors, and it was made through the collective efforts by the Government of India, RBI, and as well as the UTI. The different phases of growth of mutual funds in India can be categorized as follows. The phase 1, the establishment and growth in between the 1964 to 1987. Phase 2, entry of public sector funds from 1987 to 1993. Phase 3, emergence of private sector funds from 1993 through 1996. And Phase 4, growth and SEBI regulations from 1996 to 2004. And Phase 5, growth and consolidation, that is from 2004 onwards. Let us discuss each phase individually. The first one, establishment and growth from 1964 to 1987. Unit Trust of India was established in 1963 by the Act of Parliament. This is just like a starting point of the mutual fund industry in India. So it was set up by the Reserve Bank of India and continued to operate under the regulatory control of RBI until the two delinked in 1978, and from the 1978 the entire control of the UTI will be vested with the hands of IDBI. The UTI has launched its first scheme from 1964, and it was having a monopoly over the mutual fund market in India at that the period. The next phase is entry of public sector funds, that is in between 1987 to 1993. So it was 1986 that the Government of India has amended the banking regulations and allowed the commercial banks in the public sector to set up the mutual funds. So as soon as the government made this amendment, the mutual fund company which was set up by the commercial banks is by the SBI. SBI set up its own SBI mutual fund unit, and they introduced the mutual fund to the public. This is the first non-UTI mutual funds in India. Later, the SBI is followed by the various other commercial banks, that is Canara Bank, Indian Bank, the Bank of Baroda, the Bank of India, the Punjab National Banks, and General Insurance Corporation have set up their own the mutual fund units. Then the next stage is emergence of private sector mutual funds, that is 1993 to 1996, when the India accepted the liberalization, privatization and globalization policy. After that they allowed the private sector funds into the mutual fund industries. So thus after 1993 the various private sector mutual fund industries have been established in India. So during the 1994-1995 there were 11 private sector funds have been launched their schemes in India. The next phase is growth and SEBI regulation, that is 1996 to 2004. The mutual fund industry witnessed robust growth and as well as the strict regulations from SEBI after 1996. The investors' interest was the prime factor which is identified by the SEBI, and also the government has offered various tax benefit to the investors in the mutual fund to encourage them. The various investor awareness programs were launched at this phase by the SEBI and also by the Association of Mutual Funds in India. So then with this objective to educate investors and make them aware about the mutual fund industry was the prime the development which happened during the phase of 1996 to 2004. Then the last phase we are observing, that is the growth and consolidation, that is from the 2004 onwards. The industry witnessed several mergers and acquisition during the period means after the 2004. We can observe the alliance of the Birla Sun Life and as well as Sun F&C mutual funds, PNB mutual fund by the principal mutual fund, and likewise the various mutual fund industries went into the mergers and as well as acquisitions. And the important the point which we need to observe is various the international mutual fund players entered into India after 2004. Like example, the Fidelity, the Franklin Templeton mutual funds, etc. are the various international mutual fund companies entered into the Indian mutual fund market. This is the history of the growth of mutual fund industry in India. Now let us summarize the whole session. The mutual fund industry in India started from 1963 with the establishment of UTI, that is Unit Trust of India, as an initiative of the Government of India and as well as the RBI. Later in 1987, the public sector commercial banks are allowed to start their own mutual fund units. Thus, SBI started its first mutual fund unit in India. Later, the private sector, including the foreign funds management companies, entered into the mutual fund industry after 1993. And during 1996 to 2004, the various investment awareness programs were launched by the SEBI and as well as the Association of Mutual Fund Industries in India. Then 2004 onwards, the various mergers and acquisition took place, and also the various popular the foreign players entered into the mutual fund industry. So you can refer these books for your further readings: the Khan M.I. Indian Financial System Theory and Practice by the Tata McGrail, E. Gordon and K. Natarajan Financial Markets and Services by the Himalaya Publications, and the Raman V.S. the Financial Markets and Services by the Chetana Bookhouse Publications. I thank everyone for watching this video and kindly request you to comment with your suggestions and as well as queries. Thank you everyone.